Let's go! Team Believe! Let's do it. Let's go, guys.
Team ni Coach Zach, mga ano talaga, meron silang throat chakra, kumbaga. Filipino throat chakra, lahat parang pinanganak na merong gininto ang boses.
Yung team naman ni Coach Billy ay may taglay na power and storytelling. At yun yung kakaiba sa kanila. So, good luck kay Coach Billy tsaka kay Coach Zach kasi at the end of the day, just like us last week, you have to choose only two. So, the difficult decision is happening in a bit. Good luck sa inyo.